Hey teeny tiny humans. Hey Squeakaroo. Let's learn letter sounds with stories. Once there was a tiny human, and this tiny human was playing in a grand championship basketball game. And they wanted so bad to make a goal. So this tiny human was dribbling, and then they come to the goal, they shoot. Oh no, it didn't go in. What do you think that tiny human needs? Encouragement. Okay, can you help me? Here we go. So the tiny human was dribbling. They get to the goal. Let's help. Let's tell that tiny human, get it? In. In. He shoots. He scores. It went in. We helped. Very good. So whenever you see this letter, remember as in in. Very good. I'll see you next time. Bye.